Hachal, welcome back to our channel.
So here are the top places we visited in Banaras.
And you should definitely check it out. So without wasting much time, just let's get into video.
We started our day before the city fully woke up.
क्योंकि बनारस आए हो तो सबसे पहले काशी जाना तो बनता है ना.
So we began our day with darshan at Kashi Vishwanath temple. One thing you absolutely cannot miss is a boat ride on the Ganga. It's peaceful, chaotic, spiritual, all at the same time.
And while I was trying to soak in the moment, कोई यहाँ 100 फोटोज लेने में बिजी था. गंगा के किनारे 100 से भी ज़्यादा घाट हैं और हर घाट की अपनी एक कहानी, अपना इतिहास, अपनी ही वाइब. 80 घाट, तुलसी घाट, राजा हरिश्चंद्र घाट, केदार घाट, मणिकर्णिका घाट, ऐसे ही काफ़ी घाट हैं, all with their own stories.
After that amazing boat ride, we grabbed some breakfast, took a little rest and then headed out to explore the city.
Every street here has something unexpected. कभी इतनी narrow कि बस निकल जाओ somehow और कभी इतनी lively कि बस देखते रह जाओ.
Just a short drive from the chaos of Varanasi lies Sarnath, where everything slows down. This is where Gautam Buddha gave his first sermon. And honestly, यहाँ की calmness feel होती है.
And for a moment, even we stopped talking.
Which doesn't happen very often. और फिर हम चले गए भारत माता मंदिर. यहाँ कोई आइडल नहीं है. Instead, there's a massive marble map of undivided India. It's simple, powerful और सच में एक सेकंड के लिए रुक के सोचने पे मजबूर करता है.
On the other side of the Ganga stands the timeless Ramnagar Fort. Built in the 18th century, it still carries that old royal charm. जैसे टाइम यहाँ थोड़ा स्लो हो गया हो. And while I was busy admiring the history, मैडम अपना रॉयल फोटोशूट प्लान कर रही थी. फिर नेक्स्ट लिस्ट में था तुलसी मानस मंदिर. Every wall tells a story here. This is where Tulsidas is believed to have written the Ramcharitramanas. And even if you don't read every word, फिर भी आप यहाँ की devotion feel कर सकते हो.
And now let's talk about the real priority, food. From crispy kachoris to rabdi, that just hits different.
बनारस आपको भूखा रहने नहीं देता, even if you try. आपको लाइव डेमो देखना हो तो वाराणसी फूड ब्लॉग is already up on our channel. So go check it out.
The streets here are narrow, crowded, sometimes confusing. पर वही तो इसका charm है.
You don't just see Varanasi, you feel it in the sounds, the people.
And then the evening arrives. The Ganga Aarti. It's not just something you watch, it's something you experience.
हजारों लोगों के बीच में होते हुए भी it somehow feels peaceful, like it's just us.
24 hours in Varanasi was never going to be enough.
But maybe it's not about covering everything. It's about the moments you take back. और वो लोग जिनके साथ आप ये moments share करते हो.
If you're planning a trip, save this. और साथ में किसी ऐसे इंसान को ले जाओ
जिसके साथ बिना प्लान के भी खो जाना अच्छा लगे.